Now I'm going to demonstrate some of the different receiver options that are in Wireless InSite. My project consists of a long flat terrain, several receiver sets, and a half-wave dipole and horn antenna. So to add a new receiver set, you hit the right mouse button, New Receiver Set, and you can see the different options you have right here on this menu. If I double-click on each set, it brings up this receiver properties menu that I can manipulate the spacing. You can see in the advanced properties I have the radius, the start angle, the stop angle, and the average velocity. The arc, root, and vertical arc sets allow you to set an average velocity for a Doppler shift calculation. If I go to Select, Receiver, Set, I can click on each receiver set. If I hit the right mouse button, I can go to Properties and bring up the same dialog box menu. So starting on the left, we have a receiver arc, we have a cylinder, a single point, we have a polygon, which in this case I simply made a triangle. We have a root, where I simply clicked each point in the root and it puts a straight line in between them. We have a trajectory set, where I click each point on my trajectory set and it makes a curved path between them to simulate motion. We have a vertical arc, a vertical surface, an RX grid, and a sphere. Now both the sphere and the vertical arc are rendered underground simply because of the height. We can either manipulate this set so it has fewer points and it does not go underground, or we can raise the whole set up. Moving back to the difference between the root and the trajectory set. If I click on the set, hit the right mouse button, I'm going to choose this to be a horn antenna. I'm going to go to Antenna Viewing Options, set my control vectors visible, and show my antenna pattern. I'm going to render it a size 5. Now if I go to Select, Point, as I click on these, you can see the pattern on each individual piece. If you notice, they're all pointing to the right on the screen, no matter how they're oriented. If I do the same on my trajectory set, change to a horn antenna, you can actually see that it's pointing downrange on my root. I click here, it's always pointing forward. This concludes our brief overview of the receiver sets that are available within Wireless InSite.